Athena, don't break the net. Athena, you got in my way. How can I do this with one hand? What?
You're terrible at this.
I'm doing it with one hand. What do you expect?
I'm doing it with one hand too.
Yeah, but you can toss the ball and then hit it. I can't. Interference.
Fault.
Dun dun dun. Whoops.
Please tell me you got her dribbling that.
Yup.
She is so amused by this.
She really is. Oh.
The ultimate obstacle of the cat.
Nope.
It's so amusing.
Well, who, the cat or you?
Everyone.
She doesn't know.
Here, you do it.
Just for future reference, if you decide you're gonna ever use the dartboard, close and lock this door.
That seems like a very good idea.
So you're not throwing while somebody.
Hey, guess what? I got an actual bullseye.
But I'm. Whoops.
Darn it.
Whoa.
Get it, Athena, get it.
My ping pong ball. Mine, you do that.
What?
Good pass.
Really? Whoops.
Well, apparently somebody can't keep a straight face right now.
Never. Athena, no, pass it this way. What are you doing? Hey! Hey! Whoops.
No.
She's getting tired. Oh! Nice hit, Athena! Wow! You got it that time. Athena's goal, to make us lose.
Oh. Nobody beats Tail's sister.
He got past both of us, Athena. Our defense has failed. Oh.
Darn it. Ace.
Fail. Athena.
Oh, it's still laying on your side.
No, that was an interference.
Come on, kitty assist. Kitty assist.